Yo, Philly 254 living life. Back at it. Now, as you can see, this is the MetaQuest 3. So let's say you picked up your MetaQuest 3, you got back to the crib, you about to go ahead and get in this virtual reality and do your thing. Throw it on, try to adjust a little strap, and you realize that this strap sucks, man. I'm gonna tell you right now, off top, I'm gonna be honest with you. Go ahead and get you another strap. They got plenty of third-party straps, and I haven't really tried any of them. The head straps is what I'm talking about, by the way. I haven't really tried any, to be honest with you. So I can't really vouch for how good they are or what's good or what's not. The only one I have tried is the Meta Quest 3 Elite strap. So why does this one suck before we can get to how to put this one on? Because I'm gonna show you how to put this one on. Why does this one suck? Man, the adjustments, the way to adjust it just is horrible, man. It's horrible. Like, I hate it. I hate it. I'm messing with it right now. It sucks so bad. It sucks so bad. It ain't moving nowhere. But it sucks. Trust, there you go. There you go. It sucks so bad. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if you're gonna be the only person wearing it, I guess it might be alright. But if you're trying to share with other people, you know, everyone's gonna do it. You'll get the little VR, go do your thing, find some games, find some apps. It's kind of fun, and then you want to show somebody, right? Well, everyone's head is not the same size, so now you got to put it on their head. You got to start adjusting this strap, get this top part where you want it, start messing with this thing, and then everything's all said and done. They do their little thing, play it for a little few minutes. A lot of times, most people who first get on it just really just gonna play with it for a few minutes, right? And then it's back to you, right? When you finally get back on your own, you can get it back on your own head. Now you gotta adjust it again. It's a whole thing, trust me, it sucks. So, real quick, real fast, and you know, I got kids, so I was letting them play with it and shit. Real quick, real fast, this got real old. So first thing I did, I ain't gonna lie, I didn't even go get it off Amazon. I went straight to Best Buy and bought this one. That's why I had the official one, because I didn't know what third-party straps would work best, or, you know, I just went and got the official one, right? And trust me, a whole lot better. Grips your head a whole lot better than everything. So, to actually change it, it can be kind of tricky at first if you don't know what you're doing, but trust me, once you do it, it's easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And this is what we're gonna show you. But first things first, you gotta take off the old one. So, pull that off, pull that out. Well, actually, just pull this guy out right here. The little visor, all you gotta do is give it a little punch, little muscle on it. There we go. Start on one side, and then kind of work your way to the other side. It kind of just clips in and clips out. There you go. There you go. Got it there. Then you just gonna grab this guy right here, pull it on out, and then this right here, you can just kind of work it off. Same thing on the side, grab it, just kind of work it off, no big deal. What you want to do with this, don't matter. I throw it to the wolves, it don't matter. Now this guy right here, what you want to do, grab this, and just like you took the other one off, you put these guys right on. So just grab it, you gonna feel a snap, or hear a snap, or should I say, or shit, popping on the right side, my bad. There you go. Snaps right in. Same thing with this side. Snaps right in. Ooh, come on. There you go. Next thing. So what I do, I go ahead and put this bad boy in first. So to put it in, it looks like it's gonna be a whole problem, but trust me, this whole system is built to feed in and make it real simple. So just kind of push. It pushes right in, just like that. Real simple. Then you just grab the little visor, put it back on until you hear it snap. I don't know if you can hear the helicopter, but the helicopter's doing its thing right now. All right, it's in there. Tighten that strap to wherever you want it, and it's in there like swimwear. And this, like I said, this little piece right here helps grip the back of your head. Now, in order to tighten it, it's real simple. There's a little knob right here. Kind of just turn it this way. To tighten it to the right, to the left, you just loosen it up. And there you go. And it works like swimwear, man. That simple. The video could have been just done in a short, probably, to be honest with you. But trust me, you're definitely gonna want one of these. You try to live off that the one that comes in the package and it sucks. You're gonna quickly want to get to something new. They also got one that has the battery on the back. I didn't get that because I'm gonna be honest with you. The MetaQuest 3 battery is not the best, but I haven't really played it to a point to where I'm like, man, my battery's running out. So I haven't really felt it like that. I haven't felt the need to get another battery or get a battery head case or head strap or whatever. But that may be something I'm gonna do just to kind of see how it works. And recently, I believe there's a recent update to where the Quest, because I think the Quest 3 was having some issues recognizing the battery in the first place. So I think there was an update to kind of fix that. I'm gonna have to double check on that. But yeah, I might get the Quest 3 battery case or battery headset or the head strap just to kind of test it out. There's a few third-party options as well. Some of them damn near make you look like a damn cyborg. So I may try some of those out too, just to kind of see. But real quick, real simple, small little video just to kind of show you something. Moral of the story, fuck the strap that comes in the box, man. If you like more Steam Deck, ROG Ally, MetaQuest 3, news, reviews, lives, gameplay, like and subscribe. Cruise through the playlist. And I'm out.